Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jump Statements in Python. Jumping allows a user to program and repeat tasks efficiently. In certain situations, when some particular condition occur, a user may want to exit from a loop or skip some statement of the loop before continuing further in the loop. These requirements can be taken care of by use of break and continue statement respectively. Python provides the jump statement as a tool to give flexibility to the programmer to control logic of loops. Break statement. The break statement immediately exits a body, skipping the rest of the loop's body. Execution continues with the statement immediately following the body of the loop. Syntax is break. In this program, when the num value becomes equals to 5, the while loop automatically breaks even before the loop condition has not become false. That is, sequence of item has not been completely iterated over. In this program, we iterate through the string sequence. When letter is I, it breaks the loop. Hence, we see in our output that all the letters get printed till I, after which the loop terminates. It prints over the last statement of the program, which is not a part of for loop. In this program, we iterate through the string sequence. When letter is I, it breaks the loop. Hence, we see in our output that all the letter get printed before I. Here, break statement terminates the whole block of for else and will not print by. Continue statement. When a continue statement is encountered, the control jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration, thus skipping the execution of a statements inside the body of the loop for the current iteration. This program is same as the above example, except the break statement has been replaced with continue. We continue with the loop if the string is I, not executing the rest of the block. Hence, we see in our output that all the letters are printed except I. After that, when the loop terminates, it prints over the last statement of the program, which is not a part of for loop. Pass statement is another jump statement. Nothing happens when it executes. This is the example of pass statement. See, no output is displayed. Thanks for watching it.